Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. My name is Precious. Hi guys, it's been a while. I know, I know. So much has been happening, and in due time we'll share. But yeah, it's my son's 1 year birthday preparation, and it's already chaotic. Not that it's chaotic, but I'm gonna be putting you through. So it was his birthday last week, but I made sure to do his photo shoot few days before the birthday, hoping and thinking that I'll pull something. But he fell ill. He had, not that he fell ill per se, he had flu and cough. So I decided to move the birthday by 1 week. And really, I just wanted to do something simple per se because my husband is a private person and I'm not a loud kind of person, in the sense that when you put me into prepping for birthday party, all of those things, I'm the last person to do that. I don't really know how to start prepping for all of those things. Call me for your birthday, for your parties. I will be present. I will mark present. I will be there as early as I can. But when it comes to me, like making that preparation, Hmm, not my thing, really, not my thing. So now that is now at my doorstep, and I'm like, well, the thing is, I just wanted to invite like 5 families, 5 colleagues. That's how simple I want it to be. So I have invited my family, they are coming, and few other colleagues and their children. It's 2 days to the day, and it just occurred to me that I have not done a party pack for the children. That's to say that it's not my thing. So I'm not like, I just want the cheapest thing, cheapest party pack. In fact, I was even told that I can actually even do the party pack myself. I don't have that kind of time to start sorting because I don't have that kind of time. Just do the sorting, do the combo for me. And there's a girl I saw on TikTok. So she has combos of different things you want, according to your pockets. So I reached out to her. Although there are some few things that are not in the party pack, I think I'll go to the market today because there are some things I want to do for the birthday, which are I'm going to be cooking. I'll do that myself. I want to cook jollof rice. I want to make shawarma. I want to make yogurt, and I want to make parfait. Everything only meal. So you can just imagine. So that's what I want to do. And I'll be going to the market to get all of those items. So I'm just going to be adding like lollipops, cheese balls. Yeah, those are the things I think I just want to add for them. Then tomorrow, Saturday, myself and my husband will go get drinks for the guests. So I just want it to be as simple. I know it's his 1 year birthday, but I could make it a bit bigger for his second or second guest. See, this life. There'll be time to celebrate. I'm going to be doing it like I will do better next year, maybe for his 2nd year birthday. But now, I'm not in that mode. I'm not in it at all. So that's it. Let's get going. Oh my god, so the party packs are here. I got 12 of this. This is the color pens or color pencils, flute, this is a masset, a baby masset, and color book. So I'll be wrapping it now. Yeah. So this is the party pack. Comes with this. Comes with a crayon. So I don't know, this is the baby masset. It comes with 2 pencils, 1 ruler, 1 eraser, and 1 sharpener. Comes with a crayon. Comes with a flute. Sorry, my lord. Sorry. It comes with a flute. It comes with a coloring book. Yeah. Then I'm adding one lollipop. I'll be adding one biscuit and one of this active juice. Very minimal. So this is what one party pack contains. Hi guys, so I'm actually back from the market. Like I said in the morning, I wanted to go get some things for the birthday. The birthday is in 2 days, and to think that I actually said, oh, I wasn't going to stress myself in all of this. See how I'm panting. I didn't even drive to the market because I went to the market from the office. So I'm just going to flip through to show you all I got. And yeah, the prices. It's all right. Let me flip through. So these are part of the things I got. So I got this plastic because I told you guys I wanted to make parfait, starter culture. Although I have the raw culture, like the live culture, but I want to make it in 2 batches. So I got this Greek yogurt that have starter culture. So I got paprika. I need this paprika. I got these biscuits, like a dozen, and I got this zest juice, a dozen and 6. So I got lollipop as well. The biscuit is just scattered now, and this. So yeah, I got granola as well for my parfait. I got like a whole pack of the granola. It has raisins and some of the nuts. But notwithstanding, yeah, I got some to add to it. I also got this waste bin nylon. Hi guys, so it's been a minute. It's been a hot minute, I know. I have not picked up this camera after the birthday. In fact, as I make this video, today is Friday and the birthday was held on Sunday. That is to say, for 5 days I hadn't picked up this camera. So I just wanted to come and fill you guys in. I totally forgot to capture everything that had happened during and before. No, before the birthday I captured a little, but during the birthday I didn't. I was mostly in the kitchen, assisted by my siblings, my sister and my cousin. I didn't capture anything. I didn't film anything. But did it go well? I outdid myself. The food was great. The yogurt came out well. Everything, the party pack that I got, in fact I even had about 3 surplus. Everything just went well. Honestly, everything went well, and I just give God all the glory. So yeah, it went well. So I'm going for an official assignment today. So I'm heading to Ibadan for something, just work-ish, and I'll be spending about 2 nights. I'll be back on Sunday. I have shipped my baby and the girl to my parents, of course, as per usual. So I leave today, Friday. So I just wanted to just come fill you guys in. I don't know if I'm going to carry you guys along, especially because it's work, and I don't know, but yeah, that's what it is. I'll be staying with my uncle, my mommy's brother. I'll be staying in his house with the family. So that's about it. That's about it. So yeah. Hey, so guys, hold on. So I'm finally set to go, and yeah, my driver just went to the bank to get money. And yeah, once he comes, we'll be on our way to Ibadan. So the time is past 2. Time is past 2 p.m. So give or take, before, like, I'm sure before 4 p.m. ish, we should be in Ibadan. Yeah, hopefully. I've just finished with what I came for. I want to just go and have Amala Ibadan Abula. I cannot just imagine coming to Ibadan and not having Amala. Like, duh. Guys, I just got back from Ibadan. See, I'm sorry I have not vlogged or done anything. Everything was just happening almost at the same time. So my auntie literally spoiled me. You see her euphoria room. Oh my god. I even had a bath this morning before leaving. Let me show you everything that she gave me. Guys, let me show you. So she gave me this and a whole bunch of plantain. And then apple. She gave me apple, one head of apple. She gave me this bucket. See how big this bucket is. She filled up this bucket with apple. I have distributed it to my parents, to the driver. I gave them as well. Then these are the peppers I got. When I got back home, apparently my pepper woman has bought my pepper. Let me show you outside. Wait, look, so this is the whole tomatoes. Can you see how big they are looking? This is almost half bag of onion. These are onion and these are peppers. Guys, this one like this is pepper. This one is shombo. This one is tatashi. No, sorry, this is tatashi. This is shombo. This is pepper. All of that I got for 35,000. If I had known that she would buy pepper, I would not have stressed myself bringing peppers and tomatoes, really. But I'm impressed. I'm happy. At least for the rest of the year, I'm not going to be disturbed with tomatoes and pepper and all of those things. But my aunt also gave me two attachments and 2 perfumes. I'll do a video of what they look like. Anytime I go to their house, best believe that I'm coming back with goodies. No, it didn't just start today. My uncle's wife is the best. The best. Anyways, I just want to bring this vlog to a close. This vlog, just anywhere, anyhow. Please manage it. Oh, because, yeah. Signing out. Bye.